Friends, I have some great news for all of you. Our lawmakers are very close to finally reaching a deal on the next round of stimulus payment. Monthly expanded child tax credit beneficiaries can claim double stimulus checks this year. Please know that I'm here every single day for this community. And as your daily advocate, I want to support everyone as much as possible. This includes sharing with you the latest, most reliable, and accurate news in Congress relating to seniors, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. So friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and share this video on social media and with your friends if they need more honest news on fourth stimulus checks.
I thank the gentleman. Mr. Speaker, the Democrats have objected to counting the presidential electors every single time this century a Republican's been elected president. They spent 4 years trying to overturn the 2016 election. Democrats spied on a presidential campaign. They did impeachment in secret based on a so-called whistleblower whose identity only Congressman Schiff got to know. This Congress, they have closed the Capitol, enacted proxy voting, kicked Republicans off committee, and for the first time in American history, denied Republicans seats on a select committee that was chosen by the minority leader. They're trying to make D.C. a state, end the Electoral College, end the filibuster, pack the court, destroy executive privilege, take federal control of elections, and are currently allowing in jurisdictions illegal immigrants to vote. And finally, the January 6th committee has altered evidence and lied to the American people about it. But somehow they tell us it's President Trump and Republicans who are undermining democracy? Give me a break. Undermining democracy because we actually think you should show a photo ID when you go to vote? In 1 year's time, while Democrats are doing all that, in 1 year's time, they've given us record crime, record inflation, record illegal immigration. And as bad as all that is, it's not the worst. The worst is how they've used the virus to attack our freedoms, how they've used the virus to attack our First Amendment rights. And here's the irony. They used the virus to attack our liberties, even though everything they have told us about the virus has been wrong. They told us it didn't come from a lab. They told us it wasn't gain-of-function research. They told us it was only 15 days to slow the spread. They told us masks work. They told us we have a federal plan. Joe Biden said that himself. They told us there would never be a vaccine mandate. They told us people who get vaccinated can't get the virus. The vaccinated can't transmit the virus. And they told us there was no such thing as natural immunity.
So with Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and many other Democrats moving forward with removing the filibuster, we are going to be seeing a lot of big spending bills pass this month. Once the Build Back Better bill actually manages to pass in January, parents could be looking at a double child tax credit payment for February, which is wonderful news. Now, according to multiple news sources, the next expanded monthly child tax credit payments for January could end up becoming 2 payments in February for many eligible Americans. The White House, including President Biden, agrees that the revised version of the Build Back Better bill should include a provision to extend the advanced child tax credit. Even White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki is optimistic about the future of the child tax credit relief payments. When she was asked by reporters about the expanded child tax credit, Jen Psaki told reporters, "If we are able to get it done this month, we would talk to Treasury officials and others about double payments in February as an option." The president wants to see this move forward. It is a priority for him as soon as Congress returns. So friends, I'm really excited that President Biden is pushing forward with making sure that more stimulus relief payments are sent out to the American people. And it's extremely important that more stimulus money is passed as soon as possible because this crisis continues to surge across our country. If the advanced child tax credit remains in the Build Back Better bill in its current form, that will mean that parents could receive $600 per child under the age of 6 in February, and then $500 per child between the ages of 6 and 17. In March 2022, the payments would return to the usual monthly amount that parents had received for the last 6 months of 2021. There's a study from the Center on Poverty and Social Policy at Columbia University. They found that November's advanced child tax credit payment helped to keep nearly 4 million children out of poverty, with the overall child poverty rate decreasing across the country from 12.8% to 12.2% between the months of October and November. So friends, it's really awesome to see how the monthly child tax credit payments are really helping so many Americans across the United States. However, the bad news is that Chuck Schumer is still working on advancing the expanded monthly child tax credit payments, along with many other elements of President Biden's Build Back Better bill. Senator Manchin, whose vote is required for the Build Back Better bill to pass, is leading a charge that could force his fellow lawmakers to scale down much of the social spending and many other provisions in the bill, just in order for the bill to be passed. But recently, Chuck Schumer has said that he will not shrink the bill and instead will push forward with changing the Senate's rules. Friends, the keyword for this video is Pacific Ocean. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and any other keyword from any videos that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. One of Joe Manchin's main objections was that Democrats had dumped long-standing rules requiring recipients to have at least some income. That was effectively a work requirement, and restoring those rules was a non-starter for many Democrats. When Democrats' expansion expired with the new year, the old work rules suddenly snapped back into place. That meant as of January 1st of this year, recipients must have at least $2,500 in income to claim the credit, and how much they get is tied to how much they earn. That could actually come in handy now for lawmakers by giving them a way to finesse the work dispute with Joe Manchin, because now they don't have to vote to restore anything. And in fact, Democrats could cut the work requirements once again, though perhaps not eliminate them entirely, in a potential compromise. Manchin has never stated publicly what kind of income requirements he wants, so perhaps that's negotiable. Senator Manchin has repeatedly complained that families earning up to $400,000 can claim the child tax credit, stating it should be reserved for those with more modest incomes. That is one area where many of his colleagues, including progressives, agree with him. So friends, do you agree with Joe Manchin on this? Please leave your thoughts on the comment section below. Friends, that's the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for everyone who is watching daily, and I greatly appreciate all of you. Please friends, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and click and like this video. And don't forget to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Please do share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed weekend.